5 seconds to go. Start. In a case involving required reservation of land for a public park, the argument that this would be an unconstitutional taking of land was rejected on the theory that the subdivider would be compensated by the share of the benefits to the whole community which accrued to his particular development. The Pennsylvania Supreme Court has taken a contrary view, however, and where the need for a particular improvement is a general one, not specifically attributable to the subdivider's activity, the entire municipality must bear the cost. Para. We would therefore come to the conclusion that the word communal must be understood as where the layout exceeds 10,000 square meters, entitling members of the general public also to avail the benefit of the OSR area. Once the word communal is so understood, it further fortifies us in our conclusion that there would be no infraction of Article 300A or Article 14 as understanding the execution of the gift deed as obligating the donee only to act as a trustee to ensure the fulfillment of the sublime goal of the law, and since the owner oblique developer would not have a right to exclude others or to claim exclusive right to possession, which would be incongruous to recognizing the right of the members of the general public to access to the OSR area. This discussion furnishes the rationale to uphold the rule oblique regulation and to hold that it can withstand the challenge based on Article 300A on the basis that properly appreciated the so-called compelled gift would be valid. Even proceeding on the basis that a challenge to Rule 19B would imply a challenge to the explanation as well, on the reasoning which has appealed to us, namely, about the nature of the right under the gift deed, as also finding that the word communal is intended to reach the benefit of the OSR area to the members of the public as well, there would be no merit in the contention. Para. The upshot of the above discussion may be summed up as follows: para. Rule 19 of the DCR, which is impugned, is statutory in nature, Rule 19 is not ultra vires the act, the impugned regulation is not ultra vires the act, neither the impugned rule nor the regulation violates Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Para. The impugned rule oblique regulation does not violate Article 300A of the Constitution of India, the areas covered by the OSR cannot be diverted for any other purpose. The respondents are duty bound to ensure that the area set apart as OSR is stringently utilized only for the purpose in the rule oblique regulation. We direct that no area meant for OSR shall be utilized as dumping yards or any other purpose other than as OSR. Para. As far as civil appeal numbers 1890 and 1891 of 2010 are concerned, we are of the view that in view of the fact that there appears to have been a Kacha road, even at the time of the gift executed as early as in February, 1994, and it was being used as a road by large numbers of members of the public to reverse the position on the ground, may produce a great deal of injustice.